Manufacturing engineers want to have less downtime. They want to have flexibility with their equipment, and they want to have a 24/7 production.
If something unforeseen happens, in that situation, a problem often is the connector, because those devices that you would like to change on a machine are not only mechanically attached, they are also connected electrically.
So TE engineers saw the problem with the robotic arm, that it only moves up to 270 degrees with the wire harnesses. And if it goes beyond 270 degrees, it breaks. The solution to that problem that we figured out is a wireless connectivity solution, or a contactless connectivity solution, where we can rotate the robotic arm to 360 degrees without breaking anything. This contactless connectivity is called Ariso.
The current version of Ariso that we take to market allows the customer to effectively, with high efficiency, bridge a distance of up to 3 millimeters with a given form factor of M12.
That's a big breakthrough in an industrial environment. TE engineers meet with the manufacturing engineers or customers' engineers firsthand and try to understand their problems. Once we understand the problems, we go back and we find a solution.
If you connect with a customer that puts the same effort in this type of road mapping, it's actually those are your key customers for something like Ariso, because there's a match. That customer actually changes from a customer into a partner.
This Ariso product will definitely change the environment that we have right now in the factory. With the high data rate transfer from point A to point B, contactless connection, or connectivity rather, will change the way we do things in the factory right now.